Now, phablets are something that are very popular in India. People love the new Samsung Galaxy Note, for example, and it is expensive. So what options do you have if you are looking to buy a phablet that is economical and a decent performer? Up next, Akansha Shahi has got a phablet that might just be the answer.
Okay, Siddharth, what I have here with me is the new Spice Pinnacle Stylus, which is Spice's answer to Micromax Doodle and Samsung's Galaxy Note series. It has a 5.5-inch screen, quad-core processor, which makes it quite a decent proposition. Spice Pinnacle Stylus has a glossy plastic body and the frame is lined with chrome. It sports a 5.5-inch TFT LCD HD display and runs Android 4.2 Jelly Bean out of the box. HD screens are quite common in smartphones nowadays, but the color saturation level in Pinnacle Stylus is above par for a smartphone in the price bracket. Spice has done a good job of harmonizing the hardware and software in Pinnacle Stylus. The 1.2 GHz quad-core processor backed by 1 GB RAM that provides an almost seamless experience. I saw no general lag or dropped frames that are associated with mid-range smartphones. Pinnacle Stylus weighs a hefty 170 grams. It feels good to hold, but some may find it a little too heavy. The back panel has a glossy finish and attracts smudges, and the buttons on the side are a little too slim considering the size of the phone. Now, as the name suggests, the stylus is the key selling point of Pinnacle Stylus. What you must know is that unlike the pressure-sensitive S Pen that Samsung provides with Note phones and tablets, the stylus bundled with the Spice phone is just a standard capacitive stylus. Pinnacle Stylus offers a decent camera quality as well. It houses a 8-megapixel rear camera at the back that does a smooth job. But the dual LED flash fails to make a mark when it comes to low-light photography. Nevertheless, if you're mainly looking for some social media uploads, then Pinnacle Stylus will prove to be more than sufficient. Spice Pinnacle Stylus comes at a price tag of Rs 12,999. That makes it a surely tempting option. What I did not like about the Spice Pinnacle Stylus was the battery backup. On a single charge, the phone lasted only 9 hours. That means you have to charge your phone at least twice a day. Other than that, the screen brightness is not too high. Nonetheless, if you still want to go for a mid-end Android phone, Spice Pinnacle Stylus is worth a look.